In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to borrow money from Jumiapay. So basically, after registering your account, the next thing you want to do under your dashboard is to see all these features right here. So there you see loan, so you can also click on that. Then it's going to take you to a page like this where you can actually you can see loan powered by Quick Check. So it's not like maybe Jumiapay itself is giving out a loan. They actually partner with some loan apps, which of course they're gonna give you a loan. So you can see loan power by Quick Check. Click here to access the most frequently asked questions on how to get a Jumiapay loan. You can also see the by applying for a loan, I agree with the terms and conditions by Jumia partner. So they're not the one actually giving you a loan, but then they connected with people that can actually give you a loan. So the next thing you're gonna see is by proceeding, I authorize my email to be shared with this service provider. So you can click on continue, then it's gonna load. Then you can see data collection. I authorize my following data, SMS, phone, contact and location to be stored by Jumia and share with partners. So basically, I just want to walk you through how to go ahead and apply for the loan. But then you all know most of this loan app, if you are trying out whether maybe they're gonna give you a loan or not, and you might not know what exactly you might click, and they will just give you a loan with immediate effect. They'll just be like, okay, since you're interested in loan and you already accept all our terms and conditions, the next thing they just want to do is just to disburse the loan that they feel like maybe you're eligible to get. They'll just send the loan directly to your bank, which of course I think it doesn't make any sense. But then that is what most of this loan app does. So I might not be able to walk you through the inside, but then once you click on authorize the data, so you're gonna see change to precise location only this time, something like that. So then right, so don't allow. So I don't want to allow any of that. So once you check this box, then you can click on continue. You can see all app permission need to be authorized in order to determine your credit eligibility. So that's it. You're gonna use your data to see how much loan you'll be able to have access to. So that's how you can actually proceed to get a loan from Jumiapay app.